Help me, my daughter. She's on the floor. She's kicked in my door.
Hey,
help me, please.
Okay. Hey.
Help me. There's a car out there, a black car. On the black car. Help me.
Hey.
Back up.
Chill out.
Back up. Close my door.
Don't make us taste.
Don't.
You don't want to get tased for this.
Close my door.
What's up, everybody? Today we are covering how police came to an entire family's rescue from a feminist gone wild. Let's get into it, shall we? And without further ado, everybody.
Back up. Back up. Close my door.
What's going on? Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. Get out. You're gonna make it worse.
Get out.
You're gonna make it worse.
Get out. Move.
You're good. Get out of the car. You're gonna talk about this.
What are we going to talk about?
What happened inside?
Nothing.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Your car, madam. Last time I checked, that's your mom's car that you're trying to steal. What? Who cares?
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of my car. Get
Why
out of
do
my
you want
car.
to make this worse?
Get out of my car.
Why do you want to make this worse?
Get out. Back up.
Why do you want to make this worse?
I'm just going to leave.
No, you're not.
Back up.
Not right now until we figure stuff out.
Back up.
Oh, wow. Come on.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
What's going on?
Don't touch me.
What's going
Don't
on?
touch me.
What's going on?
Don't.
Hey, go to the other side. Make sure she doesn't start in this car. You can just open the door.
Get off of me. Get off.
Get out.
Get off.
Get out. Get out. Seriously.
Get off. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car!
Get off of me.
Get out of the car.
Get off of me.
Get out of the car.
Get out.
Get off of me.
Can you hit the gear real quick? Thank you.
What is wrong? Alright, now we're not playing.
Get out of the car!
No.
Got gloves.
Yep.
You want gloves?
Wrist lock.
You want to put gloves?
Yeah.
I got it right now.
Just hold it there. I got gloves. I'll wrist lock it. Alright. Hold that for him. Hey, get out of the car.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
You got that wrist? She's about to start fighting me.
Take it down. Take it down.
Alright, get on the ground. Oh, I gotta take him my way. My way. My way. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
Now, personally, I kind of come up with a question why the officers are being so gentle with her and trying to take her down. I could be wrong. I'll leave this to the officer's discretion, but I'm pretty sure in a situation, a taser would be justifiable. Like, a taser would be justified in this situation. But hey, that's just me. Let's continue.
One second. We have the ambulance coming. The ambulance is right here.
What's going on?
I need water.
Okay, well tell me what's
Get
going
me
on.
water. Get me water. Right now.
No!
No?
Jesus. What's going on?
Get me water.
What's going on?
I need water. Now talk.
What's going on?
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me some right now. I swear to God.
Stop.
You better get me some water.
Stop.
You better. Get me some water!
Just stop.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Listen, just.
You're gonna pay.
Hey, what's your
Move
name?
your right now.
Hey.
Stop.
Just, what's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Well, what can I call you for now?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No.
That's
Shut
fine.
up.
Well, just. Here's the deal.
Give me some water right now.
Okay, notice how overly entitled she is right now. Knows all that. Probably wondering the reason why. Well, going on a wild limb here, but we've all heard that phrase here in the West, hey, it's not worth it to say no to Western women. We all heard that phrase before. We all heard it. However, refusing to say no to women during their upbringing does a lot more harm than good. You know the whole, if a man does something wrong, we'll discipline him. Woman does something wrong, we'll just say, oh, she's a little bitty princess, but she'll grow out of it. No, she won't. In reality, everybody needs practice with hearing the word no. We all do. One of the reasons why this woman is so badly entitled is that she probably never had any practice hearing the word no. And when her mom finally said no, she flipped out and tried to steal her mom's car. Yeah.
Get me some water. Get me some water. Right now. Get your hands off of me.
No. Stop. Hey, just chill out. Got EMS coming. They're gonna get you.
Get me the water.
EMS is gonna get you some water, okay? So for now, I just wanna have a conversation with you. All right? What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Is it Gloria?
No.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Yeah.
Huh?
Don't talk to me. You don't talk to me either. You hear me?
Oh,
No.
I'll talk to you if I want to.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You will?
Yeah.
Do it.
No, I'm talking to
Do
you right
it.
now.
Do it.
Do what?
Shut the
No, I'm gonna shut up. I need to talk to you. What happened here?
Shut the
So
What's going on?
you want to buy her?
Yeah,
what they wanna do?
whatever you feel is right. She lives here, so
What happened to your finger?
Stay in 814.
Shut the
You stay in
I'm not
814?
talking to you.
So I can call the
Shut the up. Better shut the up. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Tell me.
charge you with disorderly
No,
conduct.
you're not.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can, but you're not. Do it.
I will.
Okay, good. Great.
And now we're hearing another reason why she's so badly entitled. She clearly spent her entire life growing up under the impression that, hey, if you're born a woman, she was taught by the feminist movement at a young age that if you're born a woman, that means you have legal immunity for all your actions. As long as there's a man, you could just clearly pin the blame on. Yeah, I got news for you, madam, you're not. The whole feminist concept that if you're born a woman, you have legal immunity, that's a myth. It's not real.
I don't. Bitch.
Okay, cool. I can also
Oh,
get
shut the.
I can also
Yeah, get you some water.
Yeah. Let go of me and let me drink my water.
No, I'm not letting you go.
you can give it to you.
Yeah, you better give me some water. That's right. Serve me. Yeah. No, I want her to do it. Give it to her. Give it to her.
You're either
Right
gonna
now.
get that water from him right now, or you're not getting any water.
Oh, really?
So let me know when you change your mind, right? I'm here for whenever you change your mind. Hey, what happened to your finger?
Shut the.
No, I'm asking you what happened.
With me.
I'm not trying to fuck with you. Stop that.
Yeah.
She's fine, I got her.
Yeah,
This
you
is
better
what
stop. You
she wants. Fine.
You stop.
Fuck you up.
You been drinking
Yeah.
today?
Yeah, I have, bitch. What are you gonna
What
do
you been
about it?
drinking?
None of your damn business, bitch.
Anything you recommend? Hey, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. I got her. I got her. I got her.
Fuck you.
So we do that again.
Get her up in the car. We need to get her in the car.
Give me some water
We
first.
still got EMS coming?
Honestly, I'm kind of wondering why they didn't tase her already. I'm pretty sure if a man was behaving the exact same way, guy would have been tasered immediately. But for some reason, if a woman's doing it here in the West, you try to tolerate her as much as possible. Why? I don't know.
No. Get me in a car.
Stop that. Stop that. Sorry.
Stop. Kick my officer again, and I'm going to charge you with it. Okay? It's called simple battery on a law enforcement officer. Stop it now.
Oh, sorry.
Get me some water first.
No. You can get up, and you can get in the car. Get up.
Okay. We need somebody on the other side to pull her from the inside. You got it?
You guys got her into the door?
Yep.
I got her head. I'm supporting her
1,
head.
2, 3. Let's just go to the ground. Let's go to the ground with her. Let's go to the ground. All right.
That's what I thought.
Let's just leave her like this. Let her calm down. We'll try again.
Then stop kicking my officer. Do you want medical help or not? That's what we're trying to do for you.
Okay.
Stop kicking my officer.
Give me some water, bitch.
We're past that. You're not getting water right
Oh,
now.
really?
Yep.
Bet.
Bet.
Okay, give me some water.
Nope.
Oh, you can't? Oh, okay. No. I want you or her. I want you or
Now, notice how she keeps saying she wants a woman officer to feed her water, but when a male officer offers her water, she rejects it. Well, it's obvious. She was clearly taught by the feminist movement at a young age that, like, hey, men are the source of all things evil, women are the source of all things good, and if a woman does not support that, like her mom, the immediate reaction is to treat women like a deserter or a threat to the feminist movement. Yeah, because that's literally, historically speaking, that's what all hate movements are like. This male hate movement, known as feminist movement, is no different. It really is not.
I'll be interfering with
Oh, really?
with an investigation.
Okay, babe.
You'll give me the water.
Give me some water.
Calm down, you get the water.
All right, I'm calm. Give me some water.
I'll be the decision maker on that.
Shut
I'm getting water right now.
Oh, really?
Really?
Yeah, she's not calm. She's clearly just lying. You can tell by how aggressive and dominant she's trying to be right now. Yeah, that's all you can tell. Also, notice how she strongly believes that the entire world revolves around her. That's because from her viewpoint, it actually does. And the reason why is because, A, she was clearly never said no to before. Yeah. Like, I know we live in a world where feminist movement preaches that, hey, we should always come to a woman's rescue despite everything and just automatically believe woman's innocent regardless of evidence. Yeah, but many times over that does a lot more harm than good. It really does.
The police like that.
Sit up more, okay?
Go ahead. Sit up. I'm right here. You don't talk to the.
Oh, really?
Back up, back up.
Back up.
Hey, sit up. Unleash.
Their name Gloria? Yeah. I've got her. Gloria, can we get you up and set you right here? That way you're off the concrete?
No.
Please, no. Come on. No. I gave you all the good drugs. No. Pretty please.
No. Uh-uh.
Will you do it if I got you, helped you up there?
I'll do if you give me water.
Okay, well, that's up to them. Can I
Yeah,
give you
follow
water?
them.
If you get up here, we'll give you water.
Okay, babe.
Yeah, that's water.
Yeah?
All right,
we
okay,
gotta
go.
get up there and you
All
listen
right.
to them. Come on. Do you need some help?
No.
Can I help you?
Okay, before we opt out, before we end this, I just want to say, saying pretty please. I remember needing practice with that when I was a kid, but needing that as a full-grown adult, okay, I don't care what it is you have in your pants anymore. If you need someone to say pretty please to you as a full-grown adult, yeah, you're now beyond help. You really are. Like, I'm not saying have anything against women at all. I'm just saying that, like, hey, as a full grown adult, people are still saying, you still need people to say pretty please to you instead of just please. Yeah. You may have the body of an adult, but you clearly still have the mind of a child. And the reason why this woman clearly still has the mind of a child is because she's obviously been pointing fingers at men for such a long time period. She deprived herself of any real mental growth of responsibility and maturity. Because like we said before on this channel, everybody, women mature physically faster than men because women's bodies are more complex. They are. That's where the saying comes from about how men age like fine wine, women age like sour milk. It's not sexist, it's just pointing out like biological comparison differences between men and women. Mental growth and responsibility and maturity, on the other hand, that is learned through self-reflection. By looking back at your mistakes and saying, hey, where did I mess up here? How can I do better next time? But if you're doing the opposite of that and just pointing fingers at men for all your personal problems, guess what? You're literally stunting your own growth and your own mental growth. You really have. Which is clearly the situation with this here feminist, as you can clearly see. Anyway.